Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I like to see your smiley face. I like to see your smiley face. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Okay, children. So, children, today we will learn new topic. New topic. Okay, now tell me. What is this? What is this? Oh, you don't know? Okay, I will tell you. This is my body. And children, today's topic is body parts. Body parts. Which topic, say all of you? Body parts. Okay. So children, before I start today's activity, we will sing song. Can you all stand up and sing with me? Good children, please stand up and sing with me. Yes, good. Okay, now start. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, children. You all repeat poem after me. Okay. Say all of you. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Okay, let's sing with me. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, now all of you sit down. Okay, children. Now I will show you some body parts. So, the eyes. Say all of you, the eyes. Say, the eyes. How many eyes? 2. 1, 2. So, children, say the eyes. The nose. The nose. Say all of you, the nose. Nose. The nose. We have one nose. How many nose? One nose. Say all of you, nose. Nose. The nose. Okay, children. The tongue. The tongue. Say tongue. The tongue. The tongue. Lips. The lips. Lips. Say all of you. The lips. 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 The hand. 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 The hand. Say all of you. The hand. Hand. See? Hand. Hand. The ear. The ear. The Ear. Say all of you, ear. Ear. The ear. Teeth. 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 What is this? Teeth. Say children. Teeth. Teeth. Knee. 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 The knee. The knee. Say all of you, knee. Leg. 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 What is this? The leg. The leg. Fingers. Fingers. What is this? These are fingers. Say all of you, these are fingers. Fingers. Feet. Feet. The feet. Say all of you, the feet. The feet. Feet. Say all of you, feet. Toes. 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 See? Toes. These are toes. Okay, children, now repeat one more time. Okay? Repeat with me. The eyes. The eyes. The eyes. How many eyes? Tell me. Yes, 2. Very good. The eyes. The nose. The nose. The nose. Knee. The knee. Sorry, knee. Leg. Leg. The leg. Teeth. 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 Feet. 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 Toes. 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 Fingers. 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 Ear. 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 Hand. The hand. The hand. Lips. 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 Tongue. 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 Okay, so I hope you all understood about our body parts. So children, please touch your own body parts and say the names and send me by taking video. We will meet you again with my next video. Take care. Bye. See you soon. Bye bye.